What is that like to try to drive talent strategy with a workforce that's really shifting and is experiencing significant shortages?
Yeah, that's challenge number one, right? If you think of healthcare and the industry, and it was really exacerbated through the pandemic, and really we've seen very little relief in that regard. So you're right. We've got everything from a frontline care team member that is either a CNA or a phlebotomist or a medical assistant to a registered nurse to physicians, neurologists, cardiologists, whatever the case may be, in addition to the corporate service structure that you would see in any publicly traded organization, right? Your finance, your accounting, your IT, your HR. And so it really is a very complex organization in terms of job type and makeup. And I think we've really had to shift our mindset as an organization to think about that in one integrated way. So historically, I think we were very much siloed in that you've got clinical operations or clinical affairs, and they'll deal with certain things in one way. And then you've got the kind of frontline caregiver, and then you may have corporate services. Yeah, but we're one organization now. How do we start to work in ways in terms of designing programs, for example, that are applicable to all, irrespective of setting they work in? Have the realization that increasingly we need to work together in a more collaborative and integrated manner. So a great example of that is, I think, some of our leadership development training. How do you provide that in a way that is actually combined in a dyad partnership where you've got an operations leader for a specialty line in addition to a clinical leader, but they're going through it together. So they all have the same vocabulary, they all have the same understanding of the expectation, the methodologies that we have in place, and they can be in sync as they're trying to lead a large practice or a large specialty line across the organization. And so I think that shift to really thinking as an integrated organization and how those parts need to work together and gel as an organization has really helped us take it to a different place than we have been historically.